Thank you for joining this session on the VMware Cloud Verified Welcome Kit. When you have met all of the Cloud Verified requirements, you will receive a welcome email that lists the marketing benefits you are eligible for. It will look very similar to the email example that I have here. Please reach out to Amanda Travis at the email address listed here to get help with any of these marketing benefits. Please keep in mind that not all of the partners are eligible for every single benefit. For certain benefits, we require a specific number of contract commit points to be eligible. You can take a look at the benefits on the next slide to begin your marketing efforts. These are the marketing benefits that you are eligible for when you become Cloud Verified. We have the VMware Explorer promotion and visibility, customer story amplification, paid search and display, listing on our VMware customer-facing site, social media amplification, CIO.com blogs, PR templates, VMware Discovery Center visibility, IDG marketing campaign eligibility, and Priority Development Fund access. Now, let's take a look at each of these benefits in more detail on the next few slides. First, we have VMware Explorer promotion and visibility. We will display your logo in many different places, and this gets you visibility to the thousands of people who attend VMware Explorer. Then we have customer story amplification. This is where we will help you create a video of a time when you had a great success with a customer. There is no better message for one partner to hear than when another partner had great success with a customer. We also have paid search and display. This is where we advertise within sponsored listings of a search engine or a partner site by paying either each time their ad is clicked, pay per click, or less commonly, when their ad is displayed. We are excited to share with you VMware Cloud Provider campaigns hosted on Partner Demand Center, or PDC. These kits can be downloaded, co-branded, and customized to fit your marketing needs. You will also receive visibility on our VMware Cloud Provider website. This is where your company name and detailed information is listed on our Cloud Verified website. You will be given a chance to update your profile, and you need to make sure that your listing tells a full story about your company and the services you provide. This is the first thing a potential customer sees when selecting a Cloud Verified partner. So you need to make sure this listing really showcases all of the great work you do. If you have questions on how to update your profile page, please let us know and our team can help. Next is social media amplification. Our VMware team has teamed up with a fantastic social media agency to ensure your company is being promoted on LinkedIn and Twitter. Social media amplification has really taken off for us in the past few months, and this is a benefit that other partners are really excited to be part of. Next, we have CIO.com blogs. This is where you will work with IDG to create a 500-word article that is listed on the CIO.com site. IDG will interview you to get specific information on the services you offer. Then their highly qualified writers will help develop a blog for you. This is a great benefit that promotes the great efforts that your company is focused on. You can also promote these blogs on your own website and social media and even in company emails. Another thing you will receive as a new Cloud Verified partner is a press release template. This is a pre-written press release template where all you have to do is add in your company details. You can use this template to announce to potential customers that you are now a VMware Cloud Verified partner. This also explains to potential customers a bit more about what it means to be Cloud Verified. It lets them know that you are now part of the best of VMware Cloud providers, and that you have the best technologies available to help them manage their business. Your company logo will also be displayed in our VMware Discovery Center. If you're not familiar with the VMware Discovery Center, it is an award-winning, innovative physical space located in the heart of Silicon Valley. The VMware Discovery Center leverages advanced technologies that enhance collaboration with a warm, inviting, comfortable environment. If you're ever in Palo Alto, it's definitely worth a stop in to visit. We also have a few other IDG marketing campaigns. Campaigns do vary by geography, but they essentially include white papers, content syndication, and solution briefs. You can use any development funds you are eligible for to pay for these campaigns. You also may have access to priority development funds. Please check with your GEO representative to ask about these funds. Thank you for your time today. You can always reach out to Amanda Travis at atravis@vmware.com with further questions. Thank you and have a great day.